Today I visit the beautiful town of Hoi An in central Vietnam. I explore the architecture, culture, and food of this popular tourist spot. Please join me. Well, I'm going to start my day with the famous banh mi restaurant is behind me here. Anthony Bourdain said it's the best banh mi he's ever had. So it's early, it's like 10:30. I thought I'd get in here before it gets pretty crowded. I guess around lunch there's a big lineup, so no line right now, so I'm going to head in and give it a try. Wow, this is really good. It's got really moist pork. I heard it's spicy, so it's got a little hot sauce here. It just looks like lettuce and really flavorful, though. I don't usually like banh mi's all that much. They seem a little bland, but this is really excellent. So next I'm going to head into the old town, which has been beautifully preserved. I've only ever heard good things about it, so let's go check it out. Hello. Hello.
Look something souvenir.
Oh yes, all kinds of beautiful stuff.
Where do you go?
I'm just looking.
Hi. Hi. Look slowly and anything.
Everything's nice, thank you. Hello. No, thank you.
You got these stuff you?
You get quickly surrounded in here, but thank you. Hello.
Looking for my store?
Oh no, thank you.
Yeah, in the morning. Slowly looking, see what I have.
It's not too bad in here. Everyone's good natured. They'll follow you and try to get you into their shop, but you know, this is not too bad. Not as bad as when I was in Egypt, where people would actually harass you. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, good.
My store here, thank you. Hey, kiss me.
Hello.
Hello.
Just looking around, thank you.
Yeah.
I like that suit.
Yeah. Number 90. It's number 90. I am.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah. You can do everything. Very good tailor-made and very good dry.
Yesterday you could have a suit made here all around Hoi An. It's they have really nice stuff. Actually, I like the suit a lot, but I don't really need a suit, but thank you.
Yeah.
Got a watermelon shirt here. Thank you.
I hope so.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. So very fun to walk around there. The ladies in there are very nice, and they try to get you in their shop, and they can be a little aggressive, but you know, it's all part of the fun, part of the experience. So no one was really rude or obnoxious. I bought a little gift, so I'm happy with that. I'm off to my next stop. So Hoi An is a trading port. It's been around since like the 15th century. A lot of Chinese and Japanese traders came here to exchange goods. It's now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so it's been really well preserved. It's kind of it's very touristy, it's very crowded, but sometimes there's a good reason why things are touristy and crowded. So very beautiful so far. mopeds. I wish they would just make these a pedestrian street, because kind of have to dodge everything. Wow, they have all kinds of fruits and vegetables here. Beautiful. I always love a good vegetable market, meat market, fish market, any kind of local thing. That's pretty huge. Got a big pavilion here, and then all these side streets. Just gotta watch where you're going. You get hit pretty easily here in Vietnam. Wow, very beautiful. I like how they've incorporated the older buildings, but then have modern shops, modern restaurants, modern stores, kind of bring it all together, but yet maintain all the old stuff. Very impressive. And behind me is the Japanese covered bridge. It was built to link the Japanese and Chinese parts of this port city. Very beautiful. I'm gonna go walk across it now. Well, it's starting to rain a little bit on me. I got a lot of entrepreneurs trying to come around and sell me umbrellas, but I'm from the Pacific Northwest, so rains all the time. But the rain here has been can be very intense. Huge downpours. So right now it's just a nice drizzle. Actually feels pretty good because it's hot today. It's I think close to 90 degrees. So a little rain doesn't bother me and you dry out real fast. But it starts to downpour, I gotta make a run for it and get under cover. Supposedly you're supposed to buy a ticket for the old city. If you want to see the sights, you get a ticket and then it gives you 5 ticket stubs that you can use to visit the various sites. But I've seen nowhere to buy a ticket or no one checking tickets. Like here, it's just this place is empty. I haven't seen any ticket booths. Man, this tile is real slick. Be careful. I got pretty good hiking shoes, but it's real slick. So, as far as I know, I'm supposed to have a ticket for this, but haven't seen any ticket booths, or I guess if I need to buy one and they yell at me, I'll deal with it then. So they got these kind of old temples all around through here. Oh, it's kind of slow here today. I'd heard about how crowded Hoi An was, but not super crowded. Maybe it picks up later in the afternoon. I usually try to start early, avoid the crowds, but oh jeez, man, this tile is a killer. Wow, some of these roads are kind of crazy. Sidewalks are all full, and then you gotta kind of avoid the traffic and hope they avoid you. So far, I've been pretty lucky. So I've come back later in the day. The weather's nicer, people are out, everything's open, it looks like. Seems like the better time to come. But it's fun to kind of scout it out earlier during the day. Well, I stopped to eat at a little restaurant. I started off, I got these really great looking pork buns. Give these a try. Ooh, wow, those are amazing. Really soft. Got pork, a little pickle, and really kind of nice, tangy, sweet sauce. Really good. And I got this great vegetable and chicken and rice dish here. Looks really good. Ooh, wow, really good. Kind of crispy and sweet and salty. Great combination. Definitely have to practice my chopstick use. Not one of my strengths. I kind of have to scoop. I'm getting better. Well, it was a really great meal. I'm gonna head, it's getting to be night, so I'm gonna head over to the night market. That opens, I think, at 5, so it's about 5:30 now. Still pretty early, but the streets are starting to pick up. See all the tourists here. Wow, this place really comes alive at night. You can see how incredibly beautiful this is. Everybody's out. This is definitely the place to be tonight. Wow, this is really crowded. So they got all kinds of stuff here, arts and crafts, food, everything smells really good. Probably should have saved my dinner till now because this stuff looks great. Wow, this market is huge. I'm on kind of, I guess, the main street of the market here. Kind of keeps going or going. It looks like it ends a little farther up here. I think I'll head to the end and head back. Well, that's going to be it for Hoi An. A very beautiful city. I definitely recommend coming out at night. It's a little dead. I started to go out early in the morning, which is what I usually try to do when I travel, but this is incredible. One of the most incredible sights in my travels. All these lights and colors and sounds and smells. Definitely worth a visit if you're in Vietnam. I've got more adventures planned here for Vietnam, so I hope you join me in my next videos.